All right, we're live. What is up, everyone? Can I see chat in here? Let me open chat. Okay, I'm live on my thing. Let me see on HyperTicks as well. All right, so we'll be trading gold today, guys. Market isn't moving that much, but we'll see what happens. I just got to make sure I got chat open to read it. Okay, should be fine. Mm-hmm. Just only have this one trade. I had some zones drawn up on gold actually, but don't have them on deep charts. But basically, I'm waiting for buys right now. If the markets start dumping, we'll go for sells. Simple analysis for the day. Either we break above and we go back this zone. So if we start breaking above, we'll go towards 4,500. If we dump below, I'm going to go for this zone. So we're kind of in the middle of a range right now. Hello, everyone. I see you guys in chat. Caterpillar, Avinash, how you guys doing? What is the scene for NQ? What do you mean by scene for NQ? Price movement was crazy earlier today. Yeah. Especially MYM, which was crazy. I'll show it to you guys on. Let's recap today's trade. Actually, this is what I did today. I had MNQ, which I've been spamming sell for the past few sessions. Got 2 sells. Where price action was really crazy was MYM. I had to go into a lot of drawdown to get this position done, but I did get it over there. I tried to close manually up there. Wouldn't let me log in. So I had a bit of delay here. Messenger. All right. Your captain. Let's go. All right, but that was the trades on MYM. And if we look at what we got on gold, was those nice sells. I did get them on HyperTicks as well. If we look at the trade list, that was a trade today. 418 pips. So we're gonna try and get something else today. Maybe for buys now. All right, guys, I'll be giving away a 50K account during this stream. So towards the end of the session, I'll be giving away a 50K account. I'll figure out how to enter on the fly. What's my view on the market right now? Basically a waiting game for me, but gold has been going steadily down, but I think we'll be inside of this range for the session. So if we start going for a retest back down, that's fine with me. I'll take the sells close to the zone, and if we start coming up, I will also take the buys. All right. And basically, if we zoom in on this 5 minute currently, when price action doesn't move significantly, doesn't break zones, you can take the extension on the first move. All right. So this is a good example right there. What I took this morning is sells coming down right there. So I'll replicate what I had on my trading view, but I took him from right there. Okay, so as soon as we start to break, I'm going for like 1-to-1 risk to reward. And this is exactly what I got today. Price isn't moving much. It's not breaking any zones and nothing significant on the left. So the first break that you start to get, you can actually extend and take price there. The buy is there. I didn't take him. Too many retests coming up while this was faster coming down. So now I'm kind of looking for the same thing. I'm looking for a decisive break towards the middle of the session. I'm currently on gold, MGC right there. What up, Douglas? How you doing? How much I made? You mean on this trade? The previous session was only. I take 1 or 2 trades on gold. Let me recap what I did. Uh, okay, so MGC. Yeah, okay. So previous session was 0 on this one, so break even right there. And this one 413 on HyperTicks. So this is how much I'm in today. I only trade 1 point with a 50K account. So per 50K account, it's $1 per point. Yeah, is there any giveaway? Yes, I'll give away a 50K account. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so to participate in the giveaway, what are we going to do? Okay, you can comment on this post on Instagram. All right. So go to my Instagram, go to HyperTicks or Tradethrive, and comment something on this post. Comment anything on there, and you guys can participate in it. All right. So I'm giving away a 50K account at the end of the stream. All you have to do to participate is comment and like this post. Make sure you follow HyperTicks and myself, Tradethrive. Okay. So that's how we're gonna give away the 50K account. I gotta mute Telegram. Notifications, no volume. Okay. Your Instagram is suspended. All right. I could actually do something in the Discord, I guess. Okay, I'll do a giveaway at the end of the stream. Well, we'll do it directly in Discord, actually. You know what? That's what we're gonna do. Oh, I didn't even notice I was live on X. Need some pop up. All right, gold's falling. What's going on? Trump must have said something. But we don't really care about fundamentals right now. We'll just follow what price action gives us. Okay, so gold is obviously bullish long term. I'm just trying to get some small scalps. Gold sells according to you. You're in a position right now. Nice. Gold is always bullish on long term. Yeah, I mean like even midterm. Because a few years ago, gold wasn't always bullish. When I started trading, a downtrend for like a year. Like even in the midterm, gold's gonna pick back up. If it's not in April, it's gonna be in May. We're gonna see gold just go to like 6,000 easily. Can you guys tell me if my microphone is alright, by the way? Let me know if the sound's alright. Now you guess it's gonna be sideways. I think we can get a sell soon, actually. We'll have to wait a few more minutes. And we should be able to get sells. We could get this sideways movement, but yesterday we got a pop, had the opportunity for buys, came back down, then it tanked. So I think Asian session can move. How to join the giveaway? I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I always trade during Asian session. Yep. I do. I trade every single session. London, New York, Asian, every day. Okay. So to participate, let's do it in the HyperTicks Discord. Actually, that's what we're gonna do. So I'll make a post right there. Am I allowed to tag everyone if I do it? All right, let's do it. So let me post in there. Okay, so you guys can type Tradethrive inside this chat, and you'll be able to enter. Venom, I see you. Make sure you put the R. Tradethrive. Tradethrive. There it is. Okay. We should be able to get a trade soon. Then I'll do the giveaway. What I would need is some strength and trend. Okay, so we're slowly but surely trying to build a dump trend. What I would need is for it to be faster than this, and oh, that's a trend tool. Let me test this out. It's actually fire. You can put your trend like this and like this. Okay, so I would need a break of this, go faster towards this zone. Or else if we go sideways just a bit above there, like we just need a decisive break to get the intraday downtrend. This is what we're going to need. But even if we start coming up, the zone above is pretty interesting as well. Tomorrow we don't have any news. Yep. That's still fine. Market's been moving every single day, so the only thing I need in my strategy, if there's news or not, is just a change of speed in the market. Okay? So as soon as we get a change of speed, I'm good to take my positions. Get small ranges. Once we break out, I'm taking my breakout trades. Yeah, war's changing everything. Like, it's almost untradeable. Crazy. Like this trade I got on, let me show you trading view. Like I showed it at the beginning of the stream, but if you weren't there, like if you're trying to trade MNQ, YM, like that's absolutely crazy. Absolute madness. Like I did get this trade as well. I had like one position up there, one position up there. And I wasn't even able to close it. Came up in 1 minute, came down the other. Like I had to be very quick. You can't swing trade in those conditions. It's like swing trading. If you go like to CFD brokers, you're gonna get some crazy swaps on US 30. So I'd rather trade MYM, pay my $1 commission on the HyperTicks, and that's it. No swap, no spreads, no nothing. I'd rather just scalp this, you know what I'm saying? You only trade GC and NQ. Yeah. But during Asian session, like gold is the way. I'm not gonna sit through NQ and YM. Most days it's not clean moves at all. Very choppy. Very, very choppy. I said I have some more viewers now. Make sure you guys participate in the giveaway in the HyperTicks Discord. You join it and you type Tradethrive in the Discord chat. Just type Tradethrive and you'll be entered. Mm-hmm. But the market's very, very slow. We go to like the same chart. Oh, okay. I have different templates. Interesting. Mostly I get setups in New York hours. Yeah, yeah. New York is obviously the best for NQ and GC. But gold, you could do the same thing Asian session. And I think honestly, if I could only trade one of the two session, I would let go of New York. My strategy relies on like getting a lot of trades, so I trade every single session. Um, I don't do gold London though; it doesn't work that well because if a trade doesn't go your way, you're kind of stuck in a position when news is about to come out. So I'd rather either wait for it or get something very clean at like 8 to get like positioning very close to the news event. So if I trade at 8, there's NFP at 8:30. I'll still take it. I don't mind that at all. Um, I do not care. But if I'm stuck from a 6 a.m. trade and there's NFP at 8:30, then like I'm not even comfortable with the positioning. So I'd rather like wait for comics open at least. So it's like comics open or after NYSE. Bro, I named my thing webcam. I named myself webcam. Holy shit. Alright, let me. That's hilarious. All right, you want the giveaway? Let's do giveaway. All right, let's do the giveaway. So if you're not in already, guys, just go to Discord, type Tradethrive in this chat. I'll wait like 2 more minutes and then I'll do the giveaway. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do a random number generator. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm gonna do a random number generator. And you guys can random number generator. We're gonna do 1, 2. Let me count that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Need to do 8. Okay, let's do the giveaway. You guys ready? So I don't know if you guys can see in the webcam. Let me see. This guy's name is Fake Giveaway Police. It's a real giveaway. It's a real giveaway, so if you win, you win it. That's hilarious, bro. Okay, hopefully this guy wins. Hopefully Fake Giveaway Police wins. Oh, that's funny. Let me put that just a bit to the right. Let me count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 people. All right. So we're gonna do random number generator 1 to 9. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's probably flipped. All right, but I'm doing random number generator, and then let's do it. Number 3. All right. So you guys can see this number. Number 3. I just rolled it. Okay. So number 3. It is 1, 2, 3. Tris. Tris, you won the giveaway. All right. All right. So Tris, you can message support inside the Discord. They'll hook you up with the 50K account. All right. They'll hook you up. And we're gonna get a trade on gold now. Bro, gold has no volume at all. That shit is dead. You look at the 1 minute, it's Jesus. What is this? I took probably the worst live session to trade on. Okay, I'm logged in on this one. No, I'll do one more next stream, alright? I can't do another giveaway. When's the next stream? We'll see, we'll see. We announce it always in advance. But there's a bunch of streamers on HyperTicks now. JMK, I knew about him. Slade, I watched him because I knew he was with HyperTicks. Like he was an affiliate with me like since the start. JMK is a good streamer. I think he did a giveaway yesterday. Hey, what's up, Adam? How you doing? All right, we're gonna get a trade here. 100%. I'm good, Adam. Thank you. Thanks for asking. Okay, so next few minutes we should be able to get completion on those gold cells coming towards the bottom of the range. Volume is very, very dead currently. So we'll have to wait and see. So all the trading platforms are free with the HyperTicks account except Quant Tower. I'm not even aware of Quant Tower. Let's say I go in HyperTicks. I always chose like deep charts right there. So how do I go to platform? Okay, platforms, Quant Tower, yeah. Deep charts, deep map, advanced trading analytical software, Athos, Quant Tower, you gotta pay for it. Yes, sir. You're absolutely right. Everything else is free. No, you don't need a sub. It comes with the account. This platform I'm trading on is free. Okay. Only 9. You want us to give 9 free accounts? Yeah, you guys had good odds. Yeah, you guys had good odds of winning. Nice trade I took earlier. Yeah, thank you. I took a bunch of trades in my in my Discord, but yeah, today was a great day. On gold, only plus 395. I took 415 on HyperTicks, and yeah, basically good, very good trading days on gold. That was on HyperTicks as well. Took a few losses as well, but we've been doing all right. We've been doing all right. We're starting to fill the gap very nicely. Like this whole opening gap right there. I think we'll start to fill it next few candles. I need it. I can't enter right now. It's starting to reject, but let's say, let's say. Hmm. Say like two more candles or close below there. We're gonna be all right to take a sell. Yeah, you missed the giveaway. I did it in the HyperTicks Discord, so make sure you join the stream early next time, or stay inside the Discord. You'll see. I'll do them inside the Discord or whatever. But what time is it? Okay, that's the opening of the hourly candle as well. So we're on the 1 minute right now. No, we're on the 5 minute. Never mind. But that was the opening of the hourly candle, printing a top wick. If we can start driving down pretty aggressively, I'll follow the move, and I think we'll be good for a nice hourly candle going down. So if we move to the hourly candle, we can remove that. That's old zones I had quite a while ago, but it's going to be the exact same thing where we're going to be able to take some sells here. So that's a nice bearish candle we had on the hourly. If we keep drawing this zone, extending it, we're inside of a range. But before we start driving up, I think for the session we need to touch above the zone or even drive through. I'm not going to push my luck trying to get like a full break. It could take some time, but I think we can just get a trade to touch this zone. Just following what price action gives us. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay. Let me change the color on those. No. Or what did it swap the freaking? It's gonna be like this. It'll be like white. Same thing with this. Okay. Is there a bank holiday or something in Asia? The market is so freaking slow, man. Okay, we're starting to reject here, so I can't even take my trade. I can't even take it. Okay, so my strategy. Let's talk about my strategy. All right. I didn't even explain it today, but if we go on my Discord and we go on the recap, let's look, for example, at let's look at every single day. All right. So my strategy is based on ADX. What you see below here is ADX. That's my main strategy. I have different timing on different instruments. And I basically go for one-to-one risk to reward, trying to go with the intraday trend. Okay, so I try to find, for example, fundamentals or uh, technical things that prove to me that the market will move a certain way, and I try to extend in that direction. All right. So, for example, here was my proof that market wanted to start an uptrend. All right. So it was a sharp movement. On the left, it was probably very slow or coming down. Okay, so once I saw the sharp movement, I had my confirmation with ADX, and I could take that buy position. Same thing on gold futures. It was going down. It was going down for London session. Then, suddenly during the start of New York session, I had a proof that the market wanted to start an uptrend for the day. So my stop loss is below the start of the trend. I'm just trying to get a small reaction in price. I'll usually take negative RR, but I'll also take like one-to-one risk to reward like this. If we go to today's trade, for example, on gold, that was exactly one-to-one risk to reward. It's exactly the one that you see right there on the HyperTicks deep charts. Please post it here. What do you mean? You want me to post what here? Okay, link to my Discord. Everything is on Instagram. You can go to my Instagram, Tradethrive. It's like the name in the title. All right, so just go to Tradethrive. You have all my links. You have my Discord. You also have like my link to the link to HyperTicks with my code Tradethrive. So yeah, you can go follow me on there, or even from the Discord, from the HyperTicks Discord. You click to on my profile right there. You have my Instagram, my Discord. But I'd suggest you join from the WAP so you get access to everything. But yeah, you can go to my Instagram, Tradethrive, and find everything. Okay, so we may get buys. Market just needs to speed up a little. It's going way too slow for me to take anything. All right, guys, I'll do another giveaway. Okay, I'm gonna do another 50K giveaway. So if you're already in, you're already in. Okay, so if you didn't type Tradethrive just yet, you can do it. I'm doing another 50K account giveaway right now. So if you're in the YouTube live stream, Twitter live stream, I mean X live stream, my live stream, you can all participate. Just go to HyperTicks, type Tradethrive. Okay. So if you already did, you're already entered into the giveaway. There's no issue there. If you haven't participated yet, you can type Tradethrive in Discord. So Adam is doing it right now. There it is. Okay, so right now we have. Let's look at the charts at the same time. Okay, let's do both. So we have Venom now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. Okay, so we got 10 people in there. Yeah, you can join the giveaway, Tyler. Just go to the HyperTicks Discord, type Tradethrive. I'll wait for you before we roll the giveaway. So I'll do a number random generator and I'll count like 1, 2, 3. If you type Tradethrive twice, I'll skip your name. Okay. So just type Tradethrive once inside the HyperTicks Discord right there. Guess I'm rolling another 50K account. Let me just lock in on the trade right now. Let me lock in. Mm-mm-mm. Market's slowing down again. I just need some direction to enter. It's actually annoying. What up, body man? How you doing? with my camera so it makes sense. All right. What's the microphone on this? Yeah. Okay, I just went live on TikTok as well. If you're late for giveaway, no, you can just type Tradethrive in this chat. I'll do the giveaway very soon. All right. Hello, Ellen. How are you doing? Okay, so we'll see what happens, but I think we can get a trade very soon, and then I'll do the giveaway right after. Okay, so Void just joined the giveaway. Nati just joined the giveaway. If you're on TikTok to participate, you just gotta go on HyperTicks Discord. That platform is nice. Yeah, the platform is Deep Chart. You get a free subscription. You get a free subscription when you get HyperTicks, an HyperTicks account. And by the way, guys, I didn't even plug an account for the whole stream. Been streaming for an hour and a half, didn't plug a single account. All right. So make sure you guys use code Tradethrive and you'll get $50 for 50K. All right. And you also get access to this platform. Nobody just entered the giveaway. But we got a bunch of people now entering. We should be able to get buys very soon. So for those that don't know my strategy, I go for intraday trends. I thought we would tap the bottom of the range, get an intraday trend going down, maybe tap this zone, stay there for a while, but we seem to be going up decisively. So That my shit just froze. If I have deep trades indicator, no. The giveaway is on the Discord, on HyperTicks Discord. If I only trade gold, no. On my personal Discord, let's take a look at it on the screen here. I trade MGC, MNQ, MYM. So it's all basically the same strategy with different timings, but this is like my recent trades. Terrible day right there, but overall the strategy has been going pretty good. On MGC, MNQ, and MYM, all the same strat. Let me switch back to the HyperTicks Discord so we can run the giveaway a bit later. Big ads. Thanks for joining. Oh. If Peter says, do you always trade negative R? No, not at all. On CFDs, I trade swing. And even on futures, it's 1-to-1 risk to reward, but I usually close early. Even in negative, I'll cut my trades early as well. What version of Deep Chart? I don't know what version it is. I just bought my HyperTicks account and I got this platform for free with it. So I don't know. I do not know, but it's like the basic one. There's like deep maps. This one is just deep charts. Yeah, Volumetrica. Yeah, on mobile. Yep, I'm using the web version currently, but on mobile it's VProp. What package of deep charts? I don't have any. Oh, I had some audio to my stream replay. I don't have any packages. It's just like the one that comes with HyperTicks. Oh, you were answering Adam. Okay, I get it. Yeah, I got you. Can you copy trade? Yeah, you can. Basically the sync at the top, you can copy trade all your accounts. Props usually have the regular version without the deep trades. Yeah, you can access it as well. Deep maps or deep something, they have that version as well. And I'm pretty sure it's free as well. If you go to like the HyperTicks platforms, you get you can access that as well. I just like the regular version because I don't need to see like the order flow and everything. I don't really care about that. Okay, let me run the giveaway. Let me run the yeah, the sounds. I don't use them as well. I've heard them on YouTube, but I don't use sounds. I just like to chill out and look at the price action. Um, okay, let me do the giveaway. So if you're on TikTok, there it is. You go to HyperTicks. You type my name, Tradethrive. Okay. So let's do it. Let me count how many people we got, and I gotta do like a random number generator. Okay, so we'll skip Tris because he already won. So Venom, no, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, let's go. So 14 people were in there. Let's do random number generator. One to 14. One to 14. Let me not do this. -6. It's 1 to 14. Let's do one more roll. 14. So last person that entered was Big Ads. So Big Ads, you won the giveaway. And he's in the YouTube stream as well because you heard me say it. I didn't even have to type it. Let me just type it so support can get back to you. Reroll until I get 10. Yeah. I can't reroll another one. I spent my budget with 2 giveaways for today. I'll try to do like at least one a week. I'll try to do at least one a week. Appreciate it, brother. Looking forward to trying that platform. Never used it before. Yes, sir, bro. Make sure you use code Tradethrive on HyperTicks. And you'll be able to access deep charts. Let me know if you start using HyperTicks. And yeah, let me know. Let me know in my DMs. Tradethrive on IG or anywhere. I just check IG mostly. Okay, let's get a trade here. Let's get a freaking trade. All right, so that's done. We did the 2 giveaways tonight. Zoro said, do 2 more on the house. Yeah, Brunner. I'll need more proof of that. But I'll do more next streams. Make sure you guys show up. So either my own stream or the HyperTicks streams as well. I'll do more giveaways. You guys don't worry about it. Zoro on another account. You're funny. It's like the meme about scammers that are like, hey, it's Kanye West. I'm writing from you from another account. I need $100 because I'm stuck in Mexico or something. This type of scam. But if I don't get a trade in the next 5 minutes, I'm done. I'm done. For now, we need like a solid explosion to the upside. That's what I need. I'm looking for buys currently. What's my plan? My plan is to take a trade every time I see a trade forming on the 5 minute. If it doesn't go my way, I cut early, change position, or if the trend, like price, is just slowly dying, I'll just fully close my position. But did I do this week? Like switch my position? Yeah, it didn't go well, but it can go well. For example, each time I did it this week, it didn't go well. But if I like switch my position, I cut early, take the other way. Sometimes I'll catch the trend going the other way. I just got faked out twice this week. Sometimes it pays off, sometimes it doesn't. So it's all good. It's all good. This has been such a boring session for gold. Because this, like, taking buys currently isn't very valid. Didn't break significantly. We created lower lows, lower highs, and now we're just switching direction. And there's just not a single trend. This can still be range unless we break above, go to 44.60. If we do that in the next 10, of course I'll take a buy position, but if not, like, I'm not gonna take a buy inside of a range. I need to wait for the proper breakout. Could happen in the next 10 minutes. If not, won't have to force it. Did you guys take any trades in chat? Not yet. Didn't take a trade yet. Adam said you're in a short, but you're cutting it soon. You don't like it? Yeah. I wouldn't cut it right now, honestly. Like, I'm not taking a buy because I don't see it breaking above. So shorts are valid, I guess, but shorts are risky, but they're still valid. 100% still valid, depending on your like lot size, risk per trade, everything. I don't know. I don't know. But right now we're reacting with a we could go bearish from now. No trades for you, Sigma. Might wait for London session. Yeah. If I don't get a trade right now, I'll wait for like 8 a.m. tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see. $44.10 is a pivot, either run up or down. $44.10. This, yeah. Yep. All right, guys. It's gonna be a no trade session for me. No trade session. Let me just recap what just happened. All right. So we started the live going down, building a downtrend. I didn't enter because the trend wasn't strong enough. I needed to see some aggression towards the zone below. We didn't get it. Rightfully so. I didn't enter. So that's good. Other than that, congrats to the two giveaway winners. Uh, congrats to the two giveaway winners in the Discord. Okay, so big ads and who won the other giveaway? I don't remember. Tris. Yeah, Tris. Okay, so congrats to both of you guys for winning the account. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Make sure you guys follow HyperTicks, hit the like on YouTube, and go follow me everywhere, man. I'll be on stream again. Okay, so make sure you guys follow me in HyperTicks. Thank you, Sigma. Have a good one. See you later. Thank you, Adam. Thank you, Bruner, Tyler, W. Tyler, Bodyman, everyone. Avinash, Tris, Lerner, Douglas, and everyone in the Discord, man. Okay, so I'll be 100% on stream next week, same time. And yeah, just no trades today. No trades today. Zoro said 2 more giveaways. He's laughing. Zoro's laughing. All right, so I'm ending it. I'll do some more giveaways next week. All right. So have a great day, everyone. Have a great rest of your day. All right, see you, everyone. Good night. Good night.